yo, George, tighten up, man. I was just joking. It's the red one really yours. Come on, come take it. It's the red car, yeah. Here's the key.
You know red my favorite color.
Come on, check it out. It's right there.
I got tape on it. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Freaking stupid car. Look at this dumb car. Stupid. Come on,
yeah, it's this one. Look at it here. You like it?
It's a freaking 2020. Yeah, come on, dog. You my dog for life. I swear.
Go ahead, check it out, man.
I swear.
New paint job and all.
And it's red. Look at the rim. The freaking rim.
That's fire.
You cold.
You look real good with it.
It's a freaking battery. Where'd it go? Come on. They give you an extra battery in 2020? What? Come on.
Yeah, start the car. Start the car. We out.
Oh, no. We out.
Can you pick me up some juice?